Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Springfield, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moves require extra preparation. The common issue of moving over a long distance is not getting your items on time. It is impossible to set up properly in your new home without furniture, appliances, or other things. Another issue is the condition of your items. Moving them over long distances can cause them to crack or break. That is why it's essential to use the moving services with balanced moving trucks and experienced drivers. Our trucks are specially designed to move your items to your location in excellent condition. Our movers handle your items carefully and arrange them properly. We have an excellent insurance policy covering your items. Our drivers are fast and highly trained. Moving over 100 miles away requires a lot of experience, and our drivers follow every state and federal rule on the highway. They are always on time as well. You get your belongings at the specified time, and you can set up your new space. Our moving service is capable of handling your local move as well. Our constant referrals by locals are a testament to the fact of our unrivaled moving services. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour, and you get your money's worth. Hiring the 3 Movers Moving Company is the best decision you can make when relocating to a new residence. We pride ourselves on performing our duties diligently and professionally. Your local move is guaranteed success when you work with us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Springfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.